In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quick actions in Salesforce. Quick actions are incredibly useful tools for all Salesforce admins. They can streamline user workflows by simplifying how users interact with various objects on the platform. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create these actions step by step. To get started, we'll want to access the Salesforce setup page. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once clicked, select Setup from the drop-down menu. This setup page is essentially your control center for customizing everything related to your Salesforce environment, including creating those all-important quick actions. Once you're on the setup page, the next step is to navigate to the Object Manager. A quick way to find this is by using the Quick Find box. Simply type Object Manager in the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. The Object Manager is where you manage all the objects in Salesforce, whether they are standard objects like accounts or contacts, or custom ones that you've created yourself. Now, it's important to first decide which object you want to add the quick action to. It could be an account, a lead, or even an opportunity, whatever suits your needs. Once you've figured that out, select that particular object from the list, and you'll be directed to its setup page. On the Object Setup page, look for an option titled Buttons, Links, and Actions. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the place where all custom buttons and quick actions associated with the object reside. Since we're creating a new quick action, go ahead and click on New Action. You'll then be prompted to select the type of action you want to perform. Often you might find yourself creating a new record, so let's choose Create a Record as our action type for this demonstration. Next up, you'll specify the target object that this action will affect. With the basics set up, it's time to enter some critical details. Start by entering a label for your new quick action. This label is what users will see, so make it intuitive and relevant to its function. You also have the option to add a description. This additional detail can be invaluable for other admins, providing context about what the action is intended for. Don't forget to include a success message, something like "Action complete" can work, or you can use something more descriptive depending on the situation. Once everything is in place, hit Save to apply your changes. But remember, we're not quite done yet. We need to integrate this action into the page layouts for the object you're working on. Choose the specific layout you want to customize, then locate the Quick Action section from the menu. Simply drag your newly created quick action over to the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. Finally, save your page layout changes. And there you have it, a brand new quick action ready to enhance the user experience in Salesforce. These actions are valuable as they make it much quicker and easier for users to perform tasks. Your thoughtful configuration truly helps bring this ease and efficiency to life.